It's late. You're hungry. You open your app, tap a few buttons, and within minutes, hot pizza arrives at your doorstep. But have you ever stopped to wonder, what goes into making that pizza? Where was it made? Who baked it? And how does it get to you so fast? Today, we're opening the oven door on Domino's Pizza, the world's largest pizza chain. From its modest beginnings in a tiny Michigan shop to running factories that process hundreds of tons of cheese, dough, and sauce daily, Domino's has changed how the world eats pizza. This isn't just about toppings. This is a story of innovation, logistics, and transformation. This is the complete journey from factory floor to front door. The story begins in 1960 in Ypsilanti, Michigan, where brothers Tom and James Monahan bought a struggling pizzeria named Dominick's for just $900. They took turns managing the store, but within months, James bowed out, selling his half for a used Volkswagen Beetle. Tom Monahan was left with the shop and a dream. In 1965, he renamed it Domino's Pizza, inspired by the 3 dots on the logo representing the original 3 stores. His focus? Delivery first. At a time when most pizza shops didn't deliver, Domino's made it their core business. That same year, Tom invented a game changer, the corrugated pizza box, which kept pizzas hotter and intact during delivery. It let drivers stack multiple pizzas without crushing the crusts. This simple innovation turned Domino's into a logistics powerhouse. By the 1980s, Domino's had spread across the United States. But fast growth came at a cost. Despite the expansion, Domino's developed a serious image problem by the 2000s. Fast service, yes, but tasty pizza? Not quite. In 2009, the company conducted internal focus groups. The results were brutal. The crust tastes like cardboard. The sauce is bland. The cheese feels fake. The public perception was clear. Domino's Pizza wasn't keeping up with the competition. But instead of brushing it off, Domino's did something unheard of. They went public with the criticism. In a national campaign, they admitted their flaws and promised to do better. In 2010, they launched an entirely new recipe, new sauce, new crust, and better cheese. This was more than a rebrand. It was a full-blown reinvention. Dough is the foundation of any pizza. At Domino's, it's made fresh daily at 25 supply chain centers across the United States. Each day, workers prepare dough in 800-pound mixing vats combining warm water, salt, sugar, yeast, vegetable oil, and a proprietary ingredient, mix known as the goodie bag. Flour is added gradually, and powerful mechanical arms mix the dough at over 280 RPMs. After 5 minutes of kneading, the dough becomes a massive, elastic blob ready to divide. The entire vat is hoisted up and emptied into a divider machine, which slices the dough into smaller pieces. These chunks fall into rounders, machines that roll the dough into perfect balls. Each dough ball then passes through a metal detector, is placed in chilled trays, tagged with batch numbers, and cooled to exactly 39 degrees Fahrenheit to control fermentation. Never frozen. This keeps the crust light and airy when baked. Now it's time to make a perfect sauce for perfect pizza. The new sauce recipe, introduced in 2010, changed everything. It's made using premium tomato paste, salt, vinegar, sugar, and a robust blend of herbs and spices including oregano, basil, garlic, black pepper, and even peppermint oil. Massive 1,500-pound crates of tomato paste are loaded into ribbon blenders, where agitators soften the base. The herb blend is then poured into 1,300-gallon mixing tanks. After blending and heating, the sauce is portioned into 32-ounce containers and chilled, not frozen, to preserve freshness. This new sauce brought a richer flavor, bold aroma, and a consistency perfect for high-speed application in stores. Now it's time to say cheese to pizza top. Domino's uses over 340 million pounds of cheese every year, and nearly all of it comes from Leprino Foods, the world's largest mozzarella manufacturer. Here's how it's made. Fresh milk is delivered daily, pasteurized at 162 degrees Fahrenheit and cooled. 2 bacterial cultures are added, Streptococcus thermophilus and Lactobacillus delbrueckii. These begin fermentation, turning lactose into lactic acid. Rennet is added to coagulate the milk, forming curds and whey. After draining the whey, the curds are cooked, stretched, and brined. The result? Elastic mozzarella with just the right melt factor. The cheese is then shredded, sealed in 5-pound bags, and sent to Domino's locations nationwide. After cheese now, let's talk toppings, especially pepperoni, America's favorite. Domino's sources it from suppliers like Hormel Foods. It starts with a blend of 80% pork and 20% beef. The meat is ground, seasoned with paprika, cayenne, salt, and garlic, then fermented for 48 hours. After curing for up to 60 days, it's sliced into 2 rounds, vacuum sealed, and shipped. Other toppings, like bell peppers, onions, mushrooms, sausage, chicken, and pineapple, are prepped, sorted, and packaged by regional suppliers before reaching stores. All are checked for freshness, safety, and precise cut size to ensure uniform baking. Domino's doesn't just sell pizza. It operates one of the most advanced cold chain logistics networks in the food industry. Every night, trucks leave supply centers carrying fresh dough, packaged cheese, sauce containers, and boxes of toppings. These trucks are temperature controlled and use GPS tracking to optimize routes and prevent delays. Deliveries usually occur at night when parking lots are empty. In-store inventory systems sync with the supply chain, forecasting exactly what each store needs. It's a finely tuned machine with millions of pizzas made fresh daily. In-store, the process is part science, part art. Dough is taken out of refrigeration and allowed to rise. After that, the prep table is dusted with cornmeal. On this table, the dough is hand-stretched and sauce is spread using a sputtle, a spoon-ladle hybrid. Now cheese is applied from edge to center. And last, but not least, toppings are placed in a spiral pattern. The pizza is then slid onto a conveyor oven set at 465 degrees Fahrenheit. In just 7 minutes, it emerges golden, bubbling, and ready. It's cut, boxed, and placed into a heat wave bag, Domino's patented delivery pouch that retains temperature until it arrives at your door. Domino's continues to lead in delivery innovation. In 2008, they launched the Domino's Tracker, letting customers follow their order in real time. Since then, they've tested delivery robots and drones, Neuro self-driving pods, custom-built delivery vehicles with built-in ovens. Pinpoint GPS delivery launched in 2023. Drop a pin anywhere, get your pizza. Their technology isn't just flash, it's function. Every second saved on prep or delivery increases customer satisfaction and efficiency. Today, Domino's operates over 20,000 stores in 90-plus countries. From suburban neighborhoods to bustling city centers, their model has changed how the world thinks about fast food. They're not just making pizzas, they're managing a supply network, software systems, and real-time logistics on a global scale. And they're still evolving, experimenting with AI, automated prep kitchens, and climate-neutral delivery vehicles. The story of Domino's is about more than food. It's about how a small idea, hot pizza delivered fast, can grow into a global movement. So, next time you bite into a slice from Domino's, remember, you're not just tasting dough, cheese, and sauce. You're tasting over 60 years of engineering, reinvention, and a passion for pizza. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching Foodscope Documentaries. We'll see you on the next slice.